Another day had just begun, and the garden was coming to life. Down at the bottom of the garden, near the shed, was an old, broken sundial nobody wanted. On the sundial was a spider with an unusual thought.
I wonder why Mr. Harrison's going backwards.
Sure enough, Mr. Harrison the snail was travelling very slowly past the sundial, backwards.
Good morning, Ariadne.
Hello, morning, and how do you, do?
Looks like it's going to be a very nice day again. Oh.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, dear me. Mr. Harrison, are you all right?
Of course I'm not all right. That hurt. I think I may have disconnected a lot of internal workings.
Should I fetch someone, Mr. Harrison?
What for? The place is cluttered up enough without extra bodies. This is dreadful. Shouldn't be allowed. I didn't know there was so much rubbish in this garden.
If you don't mind, Mr. Harrison, some of that rubbish is me.
Well, it's very difficult to tell one from the other as far as I'm concerned.
And I thought you were my friend, Mr. Harrison. Mind you, it is hard to tell these days, especially with creatures that travel backwards.
That is a point, Mr. Harrison.
So, you noticed. I thought I might be able to keep this bad news from you.
What bad news?
Yes, what bad news?
I suppose I have to tell you. You would have found out all too soon for yourselves.
Found out? What, Mr. Harrison?
Yes, found out what?
Will you stop repeating everything the spider says? Have you no brains of your own? No, don't answer that. I don't want to tax that which is not there.
Please, Mr. Harrison, be a friend and tell us this bad news.
Very well. If you must know, the truth is, the garden has lost its grip.
Lost its grip? What do you mean, Mr. Harrison?
Yes, what do you mean?
I'm warning you, woodlouse.
Heel back.
Careful.
Very well, Mr. Harrison.
It is as I say, Ariadne. Yesterday, the garden had grip. The stuff that held us safely to the ground. In the night, while we were asleep, somebody or something has stolen it. It is as simple as that.
Who would want to do such a thing, Mr. Harrison?
I don't know, but we're all doomed to be gripless. Unless we can sort this thing out.
Why don't we call a general meeting?
If there's one thing that's worse than a creature repeating everything you say, it's a creature who repeats what you have to say before you say it.
Could you repeat that, Mr. Harrison?
Never mind. Let's call a general meeting. And the sooner the better, as far as I'm concerned.
Yes.
Whoa! Oh, dear. Oh.
I told you we were going too fast, Mr. Harrison.
Quiet, idiot. And give me a push.
That's what friends are for, Mr. Harrison.
Oh. Tired, are we, Lambeth?
I can't say I understand what's going on, Mr. Harrison. I can't seem to stand in a straight and upright manner anymore.
You're not the only one, Lambeth, as you can see.
Everyone here, Mr. Harrison?
Yes, I think so. Come on, you lot, gather round. Not so close, please. I've hardly got room to breathe. Woodlouse, get your foot out of the way.
Which one? I've got so many.
Is that my arm or yours, Ladybird?
I think it's yours. I don't have arms like that.
Chaos.
Oh, yes.
Pure chaos. It's a good job I'm an even-tempered, pleasant sort of snail.
Oh, different from yesterday.
Huh. It's the grip, suppose. It's gone.
What grip?
The grip that keeps you where you're supposed to be. It's very important stuff.
You know all about it, I suppose.
A certain amount. I studied a lot as a young snail. Grip was one of my subjects.
Good. Then as you know so much, you can tell us how we can get it back. Because I, for one, am fed up with not having it.
Of course, absolutely. I'll be pleased. But before that, I thought we could ask the old and ancient what he thought. Only polite to ask his advice first. He is senior, after all.
That's right, suppose. We should ask Caterpillar first.
All right. But I still want to know what our clever friend here has to say on the subject.
Don't worry, suppose. I shall reveal all after the wise caterpillar has spoken. Lambeth, would you mind?
Oh, yes, of course, Mr. H. If I can get up there, it looks full of difficultosity to me. I'm afraid the lack of grip is even more than before.
The general lack of brain power doesn't help in your case, either. Never mind, Lambeth. I'll do it. Caterpillar? Old and ancient?
Noise. Why does it always have to be a noise? Can't you cough any quieter?
Sorry to disturb you, old and ancient. We were wondering about the grip.
Grip?
Yes, we were wondering how we could get it back.
Didn't know it had gone.
Yes, it went last night.
The garden has changed so much now. There's no more gripping, no more hugging. It's such a shame. Bring back gripping. Bring it back, I say. That's what we all say. Hugging is the only way.
Is he saying that's the answer then?
Well,
The more hugging, the better. Hug, hug, hug.
Well, I think it's a splendid idea. Everyone hugging.
You would. Hugging indeed.
You mean you don't agree with the ancient caterpillar?
Ah, now I didn't say that.
So you don't have any better ideas?
Well, no.
Good. Then you're going to hug someone to bring back the grip.
Well, yes.
Well, despite everything, I still think of Mr. Harrison as my friend. I'd like to hug him.
Oh, no, not that. Anything but that. Oh, no. No, Anarach. Enough is enough.
But, Mr. Harrison, not all the grip is yet.
Oh, but most of it is, and that's what counts.
The caterpillar was correct, though, wasn't he? The grip started to come back just after the hugging began.
Yes, and it began to get warmer as well. Did you notice?
That was probably all the hugging, Mr. Harrison. It can be very warm work.
It can be very tedious work. Anyway, it's all over now. The grip is back, and there's no need for anybody to hug anybody.
Ah, Mr. Harrison,
Observant to the last, I see, Ariadne.
I just thought you'd like to know that the caterpillar woke up after you'd gone.
Oh, yes.
And said that hugging was a good thing and we should all, hug someone we liked. At least once a day.
Now, that is good news, isn't it, Mr. Harrison?
Wonderful. I'm overjoyed.
In that case, you can have another hug now, and tomorrow, if you like.
You're very kind, Anarach. But no, thank you.
It'll mean the grip will always be there.
I'm sure it will, but I'm not really all that interested in the silly grip anymore.
But, Mr. Harrison, if the old and ancient...
Leave me alone.
says something...
So Mr. Harrison left, followed closely by Anarach, as the rest of the creepy crawlies settled down to watch the sun go down beyond the old broken sundial nobody wanted.